Adakin.
And I'm Kinsley. And today we are going to be doing our first video. Is some fluffy, puffy slime.
And my poop and my green slime.
She wants to make some green slime then. Green slime. Yeah. But you can do any color that you want. So let's get on to the video. So what you'll need for ingredients is glue, any type of glue. You do not need this much. Shaving cream, foaming hand soap, slime activator, any type that you would want. Food coloring and glitter paints optional. Paints optional. Lotion. Sequins are optional. Cornstarch, spoon, and 2 types of measuring spoons. You need a teaspoon and a tablespoon, and you need something to mix in. So, and a half a cup. So let's get started. Okay, so we are going to go ahead and start off with half a cup of glue. Technical difficulties. And just pour half a cup of glue into your half a cup. And then pour that half a cup of glue into your container you're making slime in. And you can go ahead and use the help of your spoon to scrape it all out. So then you're going to add half a cup of shaving cream or shaving foam. And you can do it heaping since it doesn't really fill out the bottom that much. Just scrape it all in there. And we got this recipe from Jillian Bauer. So make sure you go check out her video and subscribe. Next, you're going to add half a cup of foaming hand soap. Oh crap. We'll edit that out. Same with this. And then you're just gonna scrape it on into your mixture. And then you're gonna go ahead and mix. Make sure your ingredients are well incorporated. It looks like air-dried clay, but it's not moldable yet. Next, you're going to add a tablespoon of cornstarch. And you can move it around so it's easier for mixing. And then you're going to want to carefully fold this in, because if you do it too fast, cornstarch will fling everywhere. We will come back when you're done mixing. I am done mixing, and we're going to move on to lotion. I'm using Winter Candy Apple Lotion. We're almost done, guys. And now you're going to mix. Make sure it's well incorporated. If you have some on the side of your bowl, looks like we need a little bigger bowl. Yeah. Next, you are going to add color and sparkles. So, I'm not going to do paint. I might do glitter, so I don't know what food coloring I'm going to do. I'll do blue. What blue though? We'll do this blue. Then I might add some.
And since this is like colored reddish pinkish, it kind of turns
Tints
the
it?
slime. But that's slime. But that's okay. Your food coloring can do it. And like she said, you could also use paint. But we have both, so you will need more paint if you use paint. But then you'll need less food coloring because food coloring is stronger.
Ooh, that's perfect color.
No,
But I have like the same one as this.
but it's perfect.
Oh, you ruined it. Just made it a little bit darker. Can't see. Next, you're gonna add sparkles. Ooh, you're gonna add sparkles or any add-ins like crunchy little styrofoam balls. And add some gold.
So yeah, we were using just regular glitter, but then when you would play with it, it would get everywhere. So then we're using glitter glue instead.
And for the next, when I make slime again, but not on a video, I might test it out. I might add some glitter to the paint and then add the paint in. So it'd technically be like glitter paint, glitter glue.
That is glitter glue though.
This is difficult. There we go. Add a lot so it shows up.
That actually looks super pretty.
Yeah. Ooh, I just need a little bit more glitter. And this glitter glue was $1, and we got 3 of them from Michael's. We love Michael's so much.
And Hobby Lobby.
Yeah. There you go. You can see the glitter perfectly now. And now you're going to get your teaspoon out and get your slime activator.
We used 1 cup of hot water with
With 1 teaspoon of borax.
You can also use contact lens solution.
With baking soda.
Or you can also use some Staflo
Or laundry detergent.
Yep.
Then you're going
And
to...
the trick is if you use eye contact solution, you need to add baking soda into the mixture with like the cornstarch and stuff.
That's not cornstarch.
I know, but like soda and stuff.
So it's joining very nicely. I really like the color. Now you're just going to keep adding a teaspoon at a time. You don't want to add too much or it will become as hard as a rock. Super hard.
That's why we are using a teaspoon.
And it's a perfect amount. It's hard to hold. I usually add about 4 teaspoons, and then I start kneading with my hands. So
This is 3.
So I have a little bit extra in here, so I'm just going to add that. Then after I'm done mixing, I'm going to start kneading with my hands. Okay, this is a really fun part. So you want to take all your slime off your spoon.
And it is super sticky, so just be careful.
Ooh, it feels like a blob of shaving cream. And you're just going to start kneading with your hands. It's going to be super wet and sticky, but just keep kneading. You can really see that glitter. I might add some more glitter later on in the video. Sorry if this looks really gross to you guys. And if you need to, if it's like that sticky like this, you need to add some more. So you can take it, that, rub it all in, and then continue kneading. So I hope you guys enjoyed this slime making video. It's a super good quality slime, nice and stretchy and super fluffy and sparkly. I mean, who doesn't love a good fluffy slime with glitter in it? I hope you guys enjoyed. See you next time. Bye!
Please like, comment down below, and subscribe.
To become part of our potato chip bag.
Bro-tato chip bag. Bye.